Be your own boss. Love yourself. Get up and dance. Level up.
Hi, I am Sophie Grand and welcome to my channel. I'm here to tell you what 1111 means. First, I want to tell you what 1 means. 1 symbolize and stand for fresh start, new beginnings, new project. 1 also tell you to be mindful of your thoughts, because we create our reality, our life, our world with our actions, our thoughts. All right? So if we knowing this, then that means we need to be self-allowance. 1 also means self-allowance. Allowing yourself, going with the flow, open-minded. Okay? So that's what some of the things 1 means. So if you see that 4 times, 111, 1 is amplified. When I was going through, when I started seeing 1111, I was like, I know life got to be easier than this. I know I'm here for a purpose. I know there is a reason why I am here. Meaning, my thoughts starting to align with my action. So I start seeing 1111. I want to tell you, when you see 1111, pay attention to your thoughts. Pay attention to how you're feeling. I was learning to pay attention to how I was feeling. So my thoughts became my reactions. 1111 also can mean activating the kundalini. Your body is getting awakened. You're starting to see that life is not what you have been taught. You're starting to see the world for really what it really is. Global awakening when you see 1111. It's time to level up. Those feelings, those dreams that you have, you can do it. 1111 is the soul wake-up call, the alarm clock to your physical container, because we are souls in a physical body having a physical experience. So if we knowing this, then that means we need to be self-allowance. 1 also means self-allowance, meaning that our soul has been here before, and it's how you feel, and it's your intuition. Meaning that gut feeling that you get, that's your intuition. Start paying attention how you feel. My advice is to start caring about how you feel. Because we'll be thinking so many different thoughts as our brain, our mind is so programmed to doing, to multitask. But if you take the time out to pay attention on how you feel and what you're thinking about, start jotting it down when you start seeing 1111 or any other sequences, numbers that you see. 1111 also can mean twin flame united. If you're with someone and you've been going through a dark shadow and it seemed like things was good, then it's worse, then it get better, then it's worse. Start developing you. Start working on you, because that person could just be your twin flame. Twin flame united. Check when you seeing 1111, seeing what your thoughts is. Are you thinking about this person? Okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let go!
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.